Such a boring day, Raghu. Let's make it a Friday, no?
Okay. So what do you suggest?
You invite Kavita and Sanjay, no? Rest, leave everything to me. How to make Aloo Tikki Chole Chaat with the McCain twist? Vango, I'll show you. I have a perfect plan to make this boring day into a Friday with Aloo Tikki Chole Chaat. It's not a normal chaat, it's with the McCain twist. Now I'll show you how I assemble the McCain Aloo Tikki Chole Chaat. Placing the McCain Aloo Tikki and lightly crushing it. Next add the chole. I'm going to add some meaty chutney. Next some green chutney, some finely chopped onion, some tomato. Sprinkle some chaat masala, some pomegranate seeds. You can garnish with some coriander leaves and some dressing save if you like. Our delicious McCain Aloo Tikki Chole Chaat is now ready. Raghu, come taste.
Oh. Simmer tasty, Ma.
And it was so quick to make too.
Ma, I think that must be Sanjay and Kavita.
Yeah.
I'll open the door.
Yeah, there you go. It's so easy to make any day of Friday with McCain. Not just this, you can also try out a recipe using any McCain product and participate in their #FeelsLikeFriday contest and win Amazon vouchers.